now, Nikhil. I'm not here to joke around with you guys, and producers don't have to put everyone on because I need to do a serious debate.
We are here to build a
In
narrative.
the first set of guests
serious
tonight.
debate that in 2023, the Haryana government submitted in the Punjab and Haryana High Court that there was no wrongdoing in this particular deal. The 2012 cancellation of the mutation by
I'm
Ashok
talking to
Gehlots,
Sheikh
the
Hamid
Land
right now and
Commission at that
Abhishek
point
Sudhir.
of time
Please, thank you
was
very
because
much. Only them on screen.
appropriate permissions were not given.
The scam of Robert Vadra is about a company called Skylight Hospitality, which is owned by Robert Vadra. And Skylight Hospitality buys a 3.5-acre plot in Shikopur village near Manesar. Right? The land is bought for 7 crore rupees and then sold to DLF for 58 crores. The then Bhupinder Singh Hooda-led government in the state granted a change of land use, CLU permission for the land, and a cool profit of 51 crores was made. This is the synopsis of the scam.
Yes.
Right? This is the synopsis of the scam.
Yes.
Okay? Isme koi difference nahi. Sheikh Hamid, this is only, Abhishek, this is a pure SCAM scam.
No,
Isme
this
koi
is
bach
not.
nahi sakta.
This is not. Arnab, this is not
Yes,
SCAM
yes,
scam.
Abhishek.
This is CIRCUS.
First
Follow
Abhishek,
with
then
that.
you. First Abhishek, then you.
Look, one sec. Look, as you said, you've laid out the facts of the case. Now, Nikhil Jain was referring to some representation made by the government in the High Court. ED said we have new evidence. They summoned him on April 8th. He did not show up on April 8th. He shows up on April 15th. In fact, yesterday, a couple of days ago, he had the audacity to even comment on Mehul Choksi, saying that these economic offenders should be brought to justice. Talk of the pot calling the kettle black. This is a case of crony capitalism. We hear the Congress party, shout from the rooftops, crony capitalism, soot boot ka sarkar. Is this not crony capitalism? The son-in-law of the first family of the Congress party, they used to be the first family of India, they're no longer that, they're just the first family of the Congress party. The son-in-law gets a piece of land, gets the mutation done in 24 hours, gets the land use changed, and has it sold for a cool profit of 51 crores, which has now become Sector 83 in Gurgaon, by the way. Right? It was agricultural land, then residential property was constructed, sold it to DLF for a cool profit. And there's a lot more going on behind the scenes. Don't think that the profit is just 51 crores. The Congress had certain companies that it patronized during the 10 years that it ruled our country. And this was one of those companies that it patronized. I think that's an open secret. So there was a lot more money made. Same thing has happened in terms of National Herald as well. 661 crores of assets have been seized by the ED. Possession has been taken. That case has been going on for a decade now. Finally, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi have been named in a charge sheet for the very first time. They're going to face the full force of the law. You have a problem with crony capitalism, money laundering. You have a problem with economic offenders. You should welcome this. Sunlight is the best disinfectant. You should go to court, clear your name. You have no faith in the justice system. You blame the BJP. You go to court, clear your name. If you believe you're innocent, which you're not, which you're clearly not.
Yeah.
It's clear, Mr. Goswami, it's SCAM scam.
Now, viewers, in this case,
clear as daylight. It's a scam.
Arnab,